Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in Mini Finance. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Mini Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the home page of Mini Finance website. Here you can see register now /login button, click on it. Now it will lead you to a login page. Here you need your Mini ID or your email address. So type in your email address. Now if you don't have an account, you can click on register here, or you can also click on register now and create a new account. Now click on continue, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Mini Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.